All right, hi everyone. Welcome to another episode of मुंबई से मैनचेस्टर. कल अगर आपने ट्विटर में देखा रहेगा तो बहुत ही बवाल मचा है ट्रांसफर्स रिलेटेड. We are going to talk about Sancho, Dembele, Ismail Assar, Telles, Jovic, Cavani, Pereira, Smalling, Dalot, Romero. पता नहीं, my head is spinning already. आशय, Sancho finally bid गया है, नहीं गया है? What do you think? What is your confidence level?
सैंचो के बारे में इट्स इजी एंड क्लियर. दोनों साइड्स का आर्ग्यूमेंट हो सकता है. तो देख, तो सैंचो ने कुछ उखाड़ा नहीं है कि वो लोग हमसे 120 मिलियन मांग रहे हैं. हाँ, सैंचो ने क्या उखाड़ा है कि ही इज वर्थ 120. सी, if Sancho wouldn't have been an English player, उसका कॉस्ट according to me should have been 80. Okay, अभी वो ये जीता है क्या? उसका वो असिस्ट का बूट जीता है उसका, और 10 मिलियन ऐड कर लिए, और क्या जीता है वो? हाँ, डॉर्टमंड के साथ कुछ जीता है?
I would disagree there. So मेरा benchmark रहेगा.
Okay.
मेरा benchmark रहेगा Ousmane Dembele going from Dortmund to Barcelona for 130-140 million euros a couple of windows back. उसके numbers were not as good as Sancho. Going from Dortmund at a similar age to Barcelona again to a big European club. So that is one benchmark. दूसरा बेंचमार्क जो यार एथलेटिको मैड्रिड जो पोर्टुगीज फॉरवर्ड फीलिक्स जाओ फीलिक्स हाँ. So the benchmark for that age group is around 100 million mark. ठीक है.
Right.
And Sancho over the last 2 seasons has given better numbers than any of these players. So I think 120 million euros जो मांग रहे हैं, मुझे लगता है it's more than justified. I think उसमें वो लोग ने English tax डाला नहीं, otherwise it would have been 140-160 million. But then they would have known के they would price Sancho out of any deal अगर वो इतना price करते थे. I think from what I have heard or what we have heard from Fabrizio, James Ducker, Owenstein, from all the tier one journalists, it looks like 100 million का offer गया था, या मतलब at least discuss हुआ है 100 million euros. They are asking for 120 million euros, and I think around 110 to 115 में ये deal हो सकता है. There is money to be saved. We know for a fact कि August 18th या August 17th को वॉशिंगटन पोस्ट में डॉर्टमंड के फाइनेंसेस के बारे में एक आर्टिकल आया था that for the last financial year they reported losses for 52 million euros या 52 million dollars, and a large part of that was because of empty stadiums. So they are short on cash. United lost money, but they were not in losses. They were still making money despite losing revenue. So that's the differential. I think Dortmund will bite at
right.
100, 110 million.
I have points, not against Dortmund also. If United have the audacity to, spend 100k per week on Jones, हाँ, तो यार 10-12 million डाल दो ना, Sancho आ रहा है.
Yeah. I agree. All right. So thoughts about Dembele as a backup. मुझे complete smoke screen लगता है वो. It's just a way to threaten Dortmund के तुम नहीं बेचोगे तो हम तुमसे एक player जो बार्सिलोना में खरीदा था, which you valued at 110 or whatever 130 million euros a few years back, वही हम लोग half the price में खरीदेंगे. It's sort of a statement. It's a bluff, I think.
I hope it's a bluff, because I'm not a big fan of Dembele, because there's no point if the player buying sits out because of injury the entire year. It doesn't make sense. And ये footballers का price तो कम नहीं रहता है. It's like in millions and millions. So not a good buy according to me. Dembele would be, but let's see. If that's the reason why they're going after Dembele, then maybe काम हो सकता है Sancho का.
Quickly touch upon Alex Telles. Tell us, our valuation is 10 million euros, which is ridiculously low. Their valuation is 20 million euros, which we think we can pay. I think the difference in valuation is, although ऐसे लग रहा है कि double है, but मुझे लग रहा है it is a deal that will go through again. So I think combined Sancho and Telles पे, I think we are combined saving. अगर हम लोग दोनों के लिए asking price देते हैं तो 120 or 20 million, 140 euros जो देना पड़ेगा. I think we'll get both deals done at 130 million euros. So दोनों जगह पे we'll save a fiver. I don't know if it's worth it in the end, but I think that's what's going to happen. Striker options: Jovic, Cavani.
Acha, Jovic is in which team now?
Real Madrid.
Oh yeah, and Benfica were close to getting Cavani, na? Like a couple of weeks ago, I read it in the news. Cavani, I feel that Cavani would be a good option because he brings in experience like no one else. और उसका जो record है in PSG and Napoli also, मतलब it's a good one for a United player to have. So I'm rooting for a Cavani move. Matlab, if he costs us less, okay. But Jovic, I'm not.
He's a free agent,
ना? और उसका ये बस ज़्यादा होगा फिर wages.
Correct.
So yeah, that's my view on Cavani. Jovic का तो मेरे को, I'm not a big fan of Jovic, but maybe when he was in Frankfurt before Real Madrid, no? और उसका एक season अच्छा था.
Last season, I think 17 million euros या ऐसे कुछ Real Madrid गया, and he was playing off the bench there. I would go for Jovic over Cavani. A couple of reasons. I think already अपने पास experience थोड़ा 30s में जो एक short term striker option है वो already है अपने पास. Igalo.
Correct.
He might not be as good as Cavani. But this would be हमारे official Twitter account, please follow that as well. उस पे मैंने tweet किया था कि it would be like putting a plaster over a plaster. So already Gallo is a short-term fix, and उसके ऊपर Cavani लेके आओगे तो it would be two strikers who are 30 plus in age who will be sitting on our bench. So उससे अच्छा if we can get Jovic with an option to buy, get him on a loan with an option to buy. We will give him a run for a year and see how he gels with the rest of the forwards. And then agar wo acha karta hai, to then we can, he's at a good age.
He's only 22.
Correct. So I would prefer a try before you buy kind of a deal for Jovic.
Correct. That makes sense.
Cavani. Let's talk about the outs. Pereira to Lazio confirmed. I think that's a great deal for Pereira. I think that's a great deal for Lazio. It's a decent deal for United only because it is an option to buy. It is not an obligation to buy. So मुझे लग रहा है कि एक साल loan पे जाने के बाद I think he'll be back at our club next year if he doesn't play to his potential, which he has not when he started for United.
And I don't think he's United material, to be honest, because वो Valencia में भी वो बहुत अच्छा खेला था ना ला लीगा में.
Correct.
और यूनाइटेड में आके नहीं हुआ कुछ.
Correct. So I think best case रहेगा वो जाके अच्छा करेगा. Good for his career, good for Lazio, good for United, and they will pay up the 27 million euros, which will be a fantastic fee if Lazio actually buys him for that. So I don't think personally वो लोग उसको sign करेंगे. I think they will use him as a loan, and we'll have the same problem again next year. Chris Smalling, on the other hand, I think within a day or two we are expecting him to seal his move to Roma. मुझे actually अभी भी लग रहा है कि अपना center back crisis, instead of buying a player who may or may not fit, I think it may not be the worst thing if Smalling stays and he partners with Maguire. Uska actually aerial ability is as good as Maguire. He is not slow, so he's not as fast as some of the other center backs. By jitna fast nahi, but he's not slow. he would actually uska passing or he's not great on the ball, but he would still be our second best, if not the best center back. So I wouldn't be too dissatisfied if that deal does not go through. All right. In the last couple of minutes, your thoughts on Diogo Dalot on loan to AC Milan with an option to buy, and Sergio Romero. Oh, Ashay freeze ho gaya. All right. Dalot, I think he dropped off. I might have to go solo for the last couple of minutes. So Diogo Dalot to AC Milan. It would be sad to see Dalot go without him getting as many chances as, let's say, a Pereira or Lingard in the first team. Would have loved to see him have a string of games before we decide to let him go. But good luck to him. And if we actually get the money that's been quoted around, I think that'll be a good deal for United. There are several other players who might leave: Romero, Jones, Rojo, potentially Daniel James. So a lot to do. Again, as I quoted in the official Twitter account, we need at least 1 day per deal over the next 5 days. आज बहुत सारा न्यूज़ कोट्स रिपोर्ट्स आए but deal हुआ नहीं. Hopefully Pereira to Lazio will be sealed tomorrow, released on the official website. That would complete 1 deal, but we need a deal per week now. Deal per day between now and the end of the window. All right, we have tried to pack a lot in a very short period of time. Hope you like the video. Continue to keep watching our other videos. Like, share, and subscribe. See you guys later.